Pi Network is changing the way people think about cryptocurrency mining. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires powerful hardware and consumes massive energy, Picoin can be mined right from your phone with zero electricity cost. Simply open the Pi Network app once a day and tap a button to continue mining. No expensive equipment, no complex setup. The network relies on trust and user engagement to verify transactions securely. While Pi isn't yet tradable on major exchanges, its growing community and future roadmap could make it a valuable asset. Could Picoin be the next big thing in crypto? Only time will tell. Start mining today, because the future of digital currency might just be in your pocket. Join millions of users worldwide and be part of the revolution. Use the invitation code jonggamusika to get started now. Don't wait, start mining Picoin today.